Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
All right, waking up this morning to partly cloudy skies across the air. Check out our Volunteer Parkway Bristol Motor Speedway camera. Pretty nice conditions outside right now with temperatures in the middle 60s, a few upper 60s around Bristol, also in Abingdon, middle 60s there in Wise. A little bit of patchy fog in spots towards Marion and some other localities across the region, but overall we are rain-free this morning across the area. A wider view of everything shows an area of high pressure, a weak one off the southeast coastline there, hanging out over portions of South Carolina and Georgia. We're really watching this storm system up here. This is the one that's going to move in as we go into the later portion of the weekend, give us some showers and storms. You notice a little bit of high cloud cover, perhaps sneaking in a little bit later today into our region from this system. This produced a lot of wind damage yesterday up across portions of the Great Plains and the Midwest, where over 100-mile-per-hour winds reported with some of these thunderstorms. So thankfully that system is dying and not getting anywhere close to us today. We're just going to deal with warm and humid conditions. Can't rule out a few afternoon storms in spots. Better chance will come in the mountains for today as temperatures climb up into the mid-80s. If you're heading out to Bristol Motor Speedway or the drag strip, Thunder Valley Nationals going on today, 12 p.m. Temperatures near 80 degrees, 3 p.m. around 85. Heading down just a degree or two to 84 degrees. Let's go into the 6 o'clock hour. Can't rule out a stray shower or a storm. Let's go into the later portion of your Saturday here. But overall, most of the day will be dry, and most of the region will stay dry through today as well, with temperatures in the mid-80s to perhaps upper 80s towards Bristol, Kingsport, Johnson City, around 78, Boone, Jefferson, 84 in Mountain City, with a 40% chance for rain in the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains, 84 as well for Clintwood, and 85 in Grundy for your Saturday afternoon. All right, let's take a look at future track, time it out hour by hour today. Notice this morning we start off relatively dry for 9 a.m. Going into the afternoon hours, though, we start to get a little bit of that heat instability and a little bit of lift thanks to that heat, and that helps pop a few showers and storms, mainly, though, in the mountains as we go into the afternoon and then into 2, 3, 4 o'clock. More of the same. Can't rule out a few showers scattered around the valleys, but overall, most of the rain stays in the mountains. Then as we go into the evening hours, a few more showers and storms may develop into the early portion of the overnight before we dry out later into the overnight hours. Now, any storm that forms today likely will not pose a severe weather risk, and the reason for that is we have pretty light winds, both at the surface and aloft. Really, to get severe weather, you need much stronger winds at the surface and also aloft. We call that wind shear, and that helps thunderstorms really get tilted. It makes the updraft not be right underneath the storm and allows them to get a little more energy with them, producing some hail and the potential for gusty winds. So not expecting any of that today, but maybe later in the weekend we'll have to keep an eye on a storm system approaching and that cold front heading our way. Partly cloudy tonight, temperatures in the low to middle 60s across the area. High pressure off that southeast coast starts to weaken, move away. Here comes that cold front as we go into the day, late Sunday and into Sunday night. And as I mentioned, some of these could have a slight severe weather risk. The main impact would be some gusty winds, also some lightning. Small hail not looking entirely likely as this system moves through, but we will keep an eye on it. Going into Monday, heavy rainfall possible at times. Monday looks like it could be a little rainy as we go throughout your day there. And as we go into the middle portion of the week, we start to dry out a little bit. Check this out. Tuesday, Wednesday, no rainfall expected. And that's a welcome sight for many after a while. I was joking last week when I was filling in the morning show. Tuesday was the first day in like a long time I didn't have to put a rain icon on there. So it's a rare icon I get to use this time of the year.